Good morning guys. So today I'm here at the Sathorn Pier in Bangkok and I'm going to take you all on an epic journey along the Chaopraya River. So I'm going to hop onto a tourist boat out here and then I'm going to take you all on a journey where we'll be seeing a lot of attractions out here in Bangkok. If you look up online, you'll have wrong information saying that the trip starts from 8:30. It actually starts from 9 a.m. only and I had to wait for around 1 hour because I reached there at 8 a.m. So this is a ticketing counter where you will be issued with a ticket for your one-day boat service. I finally got my ticket for 150 baht and along with that I got a beautiful booklet which contains all the information. At around 9 a.m. it is finally the time to take up this epic tourist boat to experience and witness the popular attractions out here in Thailand. We actually have two options to sit. First one is in the boat where you will be protected from sun, and the second one is the rooftop of the boat that gives you better view of the city. To have authentic experience, I choose to climb up on the roof of the boat so that I'll get a better view and give you all the better view of the city and the attractions. Guys, we have hopped onto the boat now. So this is the boat. Look at that, guys. It's so huge out here, so not so sunny, not so hot, although there's a little bit of sun today. So guys, we have started our journey. This is probably the most interesting way to explore Bangkok because nothing obstructs your view as you are sitting on the boat. So you can literally have beautiful sight of the city as well as the popular destinations and landmarks out here in Thailand. This one is Icon Siam. So it is one of the biggest shopping mall here in Bangkok.
For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit.
And next to it is the tallest building out here in Thailand. Actually the tallest one is Mahanakon, but here they have like that small spike over there. Because of that one, I think this one is the tallest one as per the sources. Been here around 2 to 3 times and there's no regret at all. You get a lot of options out here, including a lot of foods in the ground floor of this Icon Siam. Apart from the shopping complexes, you'll be able to witness the towering residentials which are standing majestically along the bank of the Chaopraya River, and it is a sight to behold. It is also not solely the modern high-rise structures, but also the intricate and jaw-dropping traditional temples that give you peace of mind as you gaze at them. One among them is the Temple of Dawn, known popularly as Wat Arun, which majestically stares at you as you cruise through the meandering Chaopraya River. It is one of a kind that never fails to amaze the onlookers as it shows off its intricacy and uniqueness. There's a lot of hidden gems that you will only get to see if you take a boat. So this activity should be on everyone's bucket list while you are in Bangkok. As the boat cruises along the river, you'll also get to see the Royal Grand Palace, which is everyone's favorite owing to its colors and beauty. The final stop is at Khaosan Pier, which reveals the marvelous Ramanan Bridge that is one of the wonders. This puts an end to the epic journey along the Chaopraya River on a hop-on, hop-off tourist spot, and I hope you all like this video. See you next time.